take a deep breath. Let the noise of the world fade away for a moment. Let your heart settle and let your mind open, because the message you are about to hear is not a coincidence. You were guided here. You were led to this very moment for a reason. Today, the universe has something important to tell you, something your soul has been waiting to hear, something your heart has quietly been longing for. The message is simple, but powerful. You're about to receive what you've been praying for. Just a few more days. Let these words sink into you, not just into your ears, but into your spirit, because your life is about to shift in a way you didn't see coming. The universe wants you to know this. You are closer than you think, closer to the breakthrough, closer to the clarity, closer to the blessing you've been waiting for. Even if you feel tired right now, even if you've felt confused or overwhelmed, even if you've wondered whether your prayers have been heard, they have. Every word you whispered in hope, every tear you cried in silence, every moment you held on when you could have given up, has been seen, felt, and received by the universe. Your waiting has not been empty. Your patience has not been ignored. Your faith has not been wasted. For months, or maybe even years, you've been planting seeds. Through your effort, your love, your consistency, your courage. And even though you couldn't see the roots forming beneath the surface, they have been growing quietly, powerfully, faithfully. Now, those seeds are about to break through the ground. The universe has been aligning things behind the scenes. People are being positioned. Opportunities are preparing themselves. Paths that were blocked are opening. And the energy surrounding you is shifting at a rapid pace. You might not be able to see the full picture yet, but the pieces are falling into place. You are being guided toward a moment that will change everything. A moment where the weight you've been carrying will finally lift. A moment where the uncertainty you've felt will turn into understanding. A moment where you realize that everything you walked through was leading you right here. The universe wants you to remember something important. Your delay was not denial. Your pause was not punishment. Your waiting was preparation. You had to grow. You had to release certain things. You had to heal certain wounds. You had to close certain chapters before the blessing could reach you. And now that your energy is rising, now that your spirit is stronger and clearer, the door is opening. The blessing you've been praying for, whether it's peace, clarity, love, opportunity, or relief, is already on its way. Not in months, not in years, but in days. Just a few more days. You may have felt tired recently. That's because your old timeline was closing. You may have felt emotional. That's because your energy was upgrading. You may have felt disconnected. That's because the universe was creating space for something new, something better, something meant for you. Every ending you've experienced has been a divine redirection. Everyone who left created room for someone aligned. Everything that fell apart was simply clearing the path for something stronger to take its place. You are entering a season where things will start to make sense. The confusion will fade. The heaviness will lighten. The tension within you will dissolve. You're stepping into alignment. You're stepping into clarity. You're stepping into the life you've been manifesting. But the universe asks one thing of you. Hold on. Just a little longer. Just a few more days. Don't give up right before the breakthrough. Don't walk away right before the blessing. Don't lose faith when you're closest to the finish line. Your energy is shifting. Your vibration is rising. Your path is clearing. Your heart is opening to receive. The universe is whispering, "Trust me, I'm working things out for you. I'm aligning what you've asked for. I'm preparing the blessing you deserve." For some, the blessing will arrive as a message, a call, an opportunity, a person, or a sudden realization that changes everything. For others, it will come through inner transformation, peace returning, confidence growing, clarity rising, and purpose becoming clear. Whatever it is, you will know. You will feel it in your spirit. You will feel a shift within your heart. You will feel alignment within your soul. The wait is almost over. The struggle is almost done. The breakthrough is almost here. Your prayer is being answered. Your manifestation is unfolding. Your blessing is coming. All you have to do is trust. Trust the timing. Trust the process. Trust the universe. Take a deep breath and let this message settle within you. You're about to receive what you've been praying for. Just a few more days. If these words reached you today, it means the universe needed you to hear them. You are not lost. You are not forgotten. You are not alone. You are guided. You are supported. You are protected. And you are about to be blessed. So keep your heart open. Keep your mind steady. And keep your faith strong. Your new chapter is approaching. Your breakthrough is near. Your miracle is on its way. And very soon, you will look back on this moment and understand why the universe whispered, "Just a few more days."